I hella didn't think he would catch one, but he did. That's fucked up. What did you do? Why would you kill it? That's messed up. That's messed up. That's not cool. What are you doing? Well, I can't get mad at him. I think he wants to eat it. You just had to do it, didn't you? Let's go. We gotta get out of here. Come on. Well, it's an easy meal for something else. Hey, you stop that. No more. You ain't gonna eat it, you ain't gonna kill it. That's the rule, motherfucker. Hey! Hey! Come here. Come on. Hey, I call you, get over here. Not really mad at him, but still, I mean, you're not supposed to let your animals kill other animals here. He's just being a dog. If I let him, he would have ate it. I know he would. I guess on the plus side, if he ever gets lost out in a place like this, he won't have trouble finding food. Like I said, I do not agree with what he just did, because it wasn't a situation where he needed to. I guess that's just how it goes, huh? As far as his hike goes, where I thought was going to another road, another trail, wasn't, and it ended up going to a road. So I'm hoping it's more of a fire road and not a real, actual paved road. If it's a fire road, I could walk that back towards Little Yosemite, and then back to Sunol Regional Wilderness where I started. Otherwise, I gotta go back that way. And I will be going up and over all that up there, behind that thing, up and around, back, about 2-3 hours. Gets dark at 6. It's about 2:30 right now, 2:40. Be alright. But one thing I always think about now, those missing 411 cases. People go out to places like this. I think usually it's bigger wildernesses though. This is like a small one, I guess. But a lot of people go missing with dogs. They're hiking alone. Storms usually comes. right after they go missing. I know it's supposed to start raining tomorrow. I don't think I'll go missing, but I'll fight. That dog will fight. Anything short of the devil, that thing will fight it. My dog will. And so will I. I got my buck knife, got the shillelagh. But who knows what takes those people? Because a lot of them were hunters with guns, rifles and revolvers, so I guess to say in retrospect, what would I don't know if that's the word, sounds right. But anyway, I don't know what my 5-inch blade would do. Even though the shillelagh's pretty hard, like a nightstick or something. I don't know if that would be strong enough. Really, it's just a deterrent, keeps them distance. The knife is what does the damage. And the dog. Regardless of what animal attacks me, he'll strike first, most likely. If I let him, he'd attack every other animal around here. But of course I don't. But once in a while, he catches a squirrel, ground squirrel, rat or mouse. Time he pulled a gopher out the hole. As soon as it stuck its head out, he got it. I said, I can't get mad at him. It's his instincts. Well, hopefully this road is fire roads. I don't mind the hike, but I don't know how good of a good stamina he has. Seems to have a lot right now. He's wasting a lot of energy. Thinks he's a wolf. He's loving life, though, I'll tell you that much. But anyway, I got off track. It's missing 401 cases. Right now, I'm doing a lot of things that those people did and went missing. Hiking by myself, got the dog, by a water source, creek, stream, lake, river. There's a lot of boulders around here. Nobody knows where I'm at. Didn't tell nobody. Which you should always tell somebody where you're going hiking, where you're going to go. But I didn't, so it is what it is. It's pretty nice out here, though. Even if I did get stuck for the night or didn't make it past dark, I'd be alright. And I'd still go to my car if it was dark or not. I wouldn't stop until I got out. As long as no mountain lions come out and get me. Oh, that's a nice picture. Anyway, that's it for now.